Welcome to part 5 in the interior modeling and rendering series. Today we are going to model the floor lamp. If you want a copy of the floor lamp, you can download it for free with the link in the description. Videos are posted every week, so don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Alright, let's get into the video. So yeah, we're gonna try and make something like this. So, unlock that. So we're gonna start with how do I want to do this? Let's start with a circle, radius 150. Cool. And then going to have, let's go into this view because it'll make sure that our line actually goes straight up. So let's go a little bit to the side. Let's go here, and then here you see if I'm around here, it doesn't really go straight up. It's really difficult, but if you go in here and you hold shift, it will. So how high do we want it? Should we just estimate? Maybe we'll go, how high is a person? Is it, let's say it's taller than the average person. No, I don't want it too tall. Let's just have it go here, 1,500. Perfect. Enter to release. Cool. And I'm going to mirror that same line along the middle. So now you can see here in perspective there are two lines, and then this is also hold Alt, click on the blue arrow and type 1,500. Cool. And now let's turn this into a multi-point ball. We're gonna first grab, what's this called? Control point curve. That one. And click somewhere up here to the edge of that, and out here, and click enter. Cool. And then type mirror again, middle, hold shift, release, lovely. And then these hold alt, click the arrow, click enter. And then, ooh, that is not nice. Okay, let's not do that. And instead just do these steps again with the control curve. It probably would have been better if we mirrored them from the bottom. But it's fine, we're done. We're doing this now. And mirror. Oh. There we go. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is these two lines and this line, and not the floor, need to be split by these lines. So type split, select cutting objects, now select these curved lines, enter. Cool, so now this curve we're going to delete, and this curve as well. Same thing on the bottom. Perfect, and now all of these lines, we're going to select all of them, not the back, by holding shift. Same up the top. Cool, and now type join. And now type multi-pipe. Oh, the way that I can't type. It's a problem. There we go. What should our pipe radius be? Let's make it let's make it 5 mil. Enter 0. Enter. Cool. Lovely. And so now you can see we have the wire bit here, and now we're going to make this sphere up the top. So let's go to sphere. Oh, should we go to sphere diameter? No, let's go from the center. Wait, no, we'll go diameter because I don't remember. Oh, I don't remember what the radius of our sphere of this circle was, so vertex to vertex. Oh, if we just go like that. Perfect. Is that how they had it? Oh, it's a little bit up top, so it wasn't. The middle isn't here. So I'm gonna make her a little bit bigger by holding shift. Yeah, that make her this much bigger. And then bring her up like that much. There we go. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And it also has these little connection points here, so we're gonna do that now. Let's do the first one about here. I'm gonna make a cylinder at this vertex. Oh, that's okay. Sure, why not? And we're just gonna estimate this and rotate it 90 degrees. Cool. And move that here. Not quite big enough, so we'll scale it with the blue arrow. Perfect, that looks pretty good. Yep, and then we'll hold Alt, tap the green arrow, and bring it up there. So now we have those 2 lines. So I'm gonna select all of these components of the light and move it so that it's right there. Cool. Oh, and we can delete this. Lovely. Don't forget to subscribe for part 6, where we are going to render this interior scene. See you next week.